If you're determined to get a fit body, you're going to need to do a little calorie counting. And that means counting calories from whole foods, but also from liquid beverages. Don't miss out on those. They can sneak up in there without even knowing it. So let's take a look at a pop. Pop is about 140 calories, with about 39 grams coming from sugar. 39 grams of sugar is approximately 10 teaspoons. Do you really need that much sugar? Next, let's take a look at juice. It's not much better. 120 calories with about 30 grams coming from sugar, not to mention the artificial ingredients and the lack of micronutrients that could be found in the whole food option. So rather than reaching for that juice, I would opt for the whole food fruit instead. If you're looking for that 0-calorie option, you'll need to reach for pure water. Now you could spike that with a lemon, a lime, or an orange slice. You can also use green tea or white tea, and you could mix that with an herbal beverage as well. If you still want to include your whole fruit option, you could make a smoothie or shake like we have here. This is a chocolate mint shake. We've used chocolate protein powder, low-fat yogurt, mint leaves, water, tea, and flaxseed oil. So it becomes a whole meal replacement. Now there are calories in here, but they will give you energy that drinks such as juice and pop can't. If you find yourself reaching for pop or for juice, think about why, and remember the calories and the sugar and artificial ingredients you're actually going to be getting. Rather, reach for a whole fruit option or a 0-calorie beverage like water or green tea.